The commissioner of Tonj South County in Warrap State has been remanded in prison and is awaiting trial for allegedly shooting and wounding 2 security officers, a state official confirmed. Commissioner Agor Malang Agor was arrested and detained 2 months after the governor of Warrap State suspended him over deteriorating security situation in his administrative jurisdiction. His suspension followed reports of communal violence that left 7 people killed early in June. Warrap State Information Minister Ring Deng Ading told iRadio on Wednesday that the commissioner has been handed to the police prior to his trial. The commissioner is brought from where he was detained in Tonj South House and now is brought to Warrap State Headquarters and he is handed over to the police custody, Minister Ring Deng said during a phone interview. He will go and answer the accusations launched against him by the victims and he will go before the court. And when he is found guilty, he will be answerable to his cause. In May this year, Governor Aluane slapped Malang with a suspension letter because he did not want to cooperate with commanders of security forces who are deployed in the county. The military governor formed a committee to investigate what the trigger of the renewed insecurities. Since then, Commissioner Malang has been kept under house arrest pending findings of the committee. The detainee said he would welcome the findings of the investigation committee. But in the latest development, efforts to contact the commissioner for a comment were not successful.